The king of luxury SUVs just raised the bar again. The 2027 Range Rover is here with game-changing technology, ultra-luxury trims, and unbelievable performance. Let's dive straight into it. Exterior design and presence. For decades, the Range Rover has been the ultimate symbol of wealth status and effortless capability. But for the 2027 model year, Land Rover engineers refrained from completely breaking what was already working. Instead, they focused on sharpening the details to make this iconic SUV look sleeker and more commanding than ever. Up front, the updated fascia features resculpted lower bumper air, intakes a cleaner grille layout, and ultra-slim digital LED headlights packing 1.3 million micro-mirrors. These headlights use real-time navigation data to actively illuminate around corners before you even turn the wheel. Along the profile, flush door handles completely disappear into the bodywork, while a continuous waistline and floating glass roofline preserve that signature silhouette. Massive 23-inch forged alloy wheels anchor its proportions, leading back to hidden until-it vertical LED taillights and a distinctive boat-tail rear end. It retains its famous split rear tailgate, but for 2027, the optional tailgate event suite transforms the bottom hatch into outdoor luxury seating. Equipped with plush ultra fabrics cushions, integrated tailgate speakers, and ambient overhead lighting, it turns every tailgate setup into a VIP lounge. First-class cabin and infotainment. Step inside and the 2027 Range Rover reinforces why it remains the gold standard for executive interiors. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a curved 13.1-inch floating glass touchscreen powered by the latest Pivi Pro infotainment system. It provides crisp haptic feedback, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in Amazon Alexa integration. Directly ahead of the driver sits a 13.7-inch digital gauge cluster, displaying full-screen navigation and active driving data. For buyers seeking eco-conscious refinement, Land Rover introduced a non-leather interior option, utilizing sustainable wool textiles and rattan palm wood accents. In the second row, the optional executive seating configuration reclines with deployable footrests, personal touchscreen controllers, and customized massage programs. To keep the cabin whisper-quiet, active noise cancellation technology is built directly into the seat headrests, emitting counter frequencies that neutralize tire noise and wind turbulence. Add in the advanced cabin air purification pro system with PM 2.5 filtration, and the interior atmosphere remains completely isolated from the outside world. The new SV Ultra and electrostatic audio. The biggest news for 2027 is the arrival of the all-new range-topping Range Rover SV Ultra. Designed to directly challenge ultra-exclusive flagships like the Bentley Bentayga and Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the SV Ultra represents the absolute peak of bespoke automotive luxury. This flagship trim debuts groundbreaking audio technology, the world's first electrostatic surround sound stereo system. By utilizing ultra-thin electrostatic speaker panels paired with transducers embedded in the seatbacks and footwells, it delivers distortion-free three-dimensional audio quality that lets you physically feel the bass without muddying the sound profile. Also joining the 2027 lineup is the new Westminster Edition, making plug-in hybrid luxury more accessible with a P460e powertrain pushing out 454 horsepower. Powertrains and all-terrain performance. Underneath that long aluminum hood, the 2027 Range Rover offers a versatile lineup of engines engineered for effortless performance. Mild hybrid engines. The lineup starts with smooth inline-six mild hybrid options, while the high-performance V8 models pack a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged engine generating up to 607 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. In dynamic launch mode, this massive luxury fortress launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a violent 4.5 seconds. Plug-in hybrid, PHEV. For buyers wanting high efficiency, the 550e plug-in hybrid combines a 3.0-liter Ingenium 6-cylinder engine with a powerful electric motor delivering 542 horsepower and up to 50 miles of pure electric range. Fast DC charging replenishes 80% of the battery in under an hour. Despite its high-tech luxury, the Range Rover remains an absolute beast off-road. Standard four-wheel steering enables a turning circle smaller than a compact hatchback, while active air suspension and terrain response 2 allow it to wade through deep water and crawl over rough trails without breaking a sweat. With its updated styling, groundbreaking electrostatic audio, and high-horsepower electrified V8 powertrains, the 2027 Range Rover proves once again why it sits at the absolute top of the luxury SUV mountain. Starting around $11,000 for base trims and climbing past $23,000 for the ultra-exclusive SV models, it delivers a driving experience that European rivals simply cannot match. If you had the choice, would you pick this Range Rover over a Mercedes-Maybach GLS or a Bentley Bentayga? Comment your thoughts below, hit that subscribe button for the latest car reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.